Couple more days of summer and my kids have spent the afternoon in the pool, so I'm ready for an iced coffee. But first, I hope that you'll join me for my 3 exercises today. You're only going to need a mat, and I think we're going to head outside because I hear the kids thumping and making a bunch of noise, and it'll be quieter out there. I've got kids inside, they're playing music upstairs. I've got kids outside, they're still in the pool. I got kids everywhere. So I'm gonna do this in the shade on my patio again, but I'm gonna go over the exercises real quick. We're gonna do 15 hollow rocks, a 30-second plank hold on each side, and then to get our lower abs, we're gonna do 15 half burpees. We're gonna do 15 of those, so it'll be like less than 10 minutes. I'm gonna record 1 round for you, and then I want you to do it for 3 rounds. I'm gonna put you in charge of setting your own timer to get a 30-second plank hold on each side, plus your 15 reps of each exercise. I even turned off the pool filter so that there wouldn't be a whole lot of background noise. But I'm getting it no matter what. We're gonna lay out flat and with our hands above our heads, elbows behind our ears, and we're gonna just curl up into a banana shape and rock back and forth, front to back, being 1, 2. Then you're going to roll over onto your right side and hold plank position. If this is too difficult, you can take your leg and put it behind you, your top leg and put it behind you, or you can put your bottom leg and bend it and hold up with your top leg. Both ways are a great modification if you don't feel like you can hold it for the full 30 seconds like that. But if you think you can push, try to push yourself to hold it in full plank position for 30 seconds. You can lift your arm above your head or you can keep it on your hip. Just make sure you're holding your tummy in tight as you do this. Flip it over to your left side this time and pull it up into plank position. Again, if you feel the need to fold one of your legs, don't hesitate, but try to push yourself so that you can better yourself and strengthen your core even more. For our last exercise, we're going to be doing a half burpee. You're going to lay your mat out and you're just going to go out and in and up. You're going to go down, put your feet out, back in and up. This works your core stabilizer as well as getting in some cardio to help get your body into fat burning mode so that you can burn some fat over top of your abs and get them to show a little bit more and show that definition of all that hard work you've been doing. Make sure you get 15 of these in. I don't really want to take that inside and put that on the carpet right now. I'm going to leave that outside to hang dry for a little bit and then try to brush it off some. It's kind of dirty and grimy from having been outside. So if it's hot outside and it's loud inside and loud outside, why even bother doing this at all and not just waiting? Because I know that I'm not going to make the time later. I've tried to find time all morning and it hasn't happened, so I fit it in where I could. Even if that means in the heat of the day, outside, and honestly I just like being outside, so that's part of the reason why I came out here and worked on this out here. I hope that you find the time to work in some abs today. In this 30-day ab challenge, I have had so much fun coming up with different exercises to do and trying new ones and different versions of each exercise that I've done in the past. If you are, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. I hope that you will subscribe to the channel, and if you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I'll post there as well. Make sure you hit that bell so that you can see tomorrow's video because it's going to be a tough one. I've got a real challenge for you tomorrow. I will see you then.